next in JavaScript, we are going to do conditional or ternary operator. Along with that, we are going to do if simple if else statement. So here I'm creating one file. I'm naming it as 12.html, and within this file, this is our basic HTML code. And here after body, when body tag closes, here we are putting script tag. Now here I'm saying I'm declaring one variable num. Now I can directly initialize this variable with some particular value like num equals to 10, 20 or like that, or we can use prompt box to get input from user. So here I'm using prompt box, prompt, enter a number to check for even or odd. So this is going to give us prompt box. Save it and go live. So this is our prompt box which is asking us to enter a number, and it will later on we'll write a code to check if it is even or odd. So here we have taken input of number from user. Now here I'm using a conditional operator to check if a given number is even or odd. So here it will go like this. We have taken num as variable, so we'll check for this num mod 2 equals to 0. That means if when we divide this number by 2 and if the remainder is 0, then here we have to give question mark sign, and then we have to print message like number is, if it is remainder is 0, then number is even. Otherwise we have to put colon sign, number is odd, put semicolon, save, and here we have to take a variable to collect its value. So let name of that variable is result equals to, now whatever will be the output will go to this result, and in the end here we are printing result. Document dot write, and here I'm directly printing this result. Save it. So it is going to print on our browser screen. So it is asking us for number. I'm giving 79. So it is printed number is odd. Again here I'm giving number 100. It's even. Now here we have collected the value in a variable. If you don't want to use this variable, then here we have to do like this. We can even use console.log, or we can use document.write. Document.write, and we have to put the statement within bracket, and again here document.write, and it will go in bracket. So here we don't need this thing now. Save it, and so again here it is asking us for a number. I'm giving 89. It's an odd number, and again I'm giving 102. It's even number. So this was a conditional operator or ternary operator in which we have three operands. First one, this one is our first operand, this is our second, and this one is our third. We can do same thing with the help of if and else. So here I'm commenting it, and here I'm using if num modulus 2 equals to 0, that means if the remainder is 0, then here I'm using console.log, and if the remainder is 0, then we have to print a message like number is even number. And if it is not 0, that means if remainder is not 0, then it will come to else part, console.log number will be odd number if remainder is not 0. Save it, and so here I'm giving, we'll do it again. So here it is asking us for number. I'm giving here 20. It is not showing result here because we have used console.log. So we have to right click, inspect, and then we'll go to console. It is showing number is even. Again, if we refresh it, it is again asking us for number. Here I'm giving 99, number is odd. So here we have done two things. First is conditional or ternary operator, and second one is simple if else.